Hi guys, we are going to be making a watermelon juice with ginger, turmeric and some lemon. As you can see here, I'm preparing the watermelon. I'll put all of it into the blender. Then yeah, just like a quarter of a large watermelon. Watermelon is very hydrating and very cleansing. Then we are going to put some ginger. I'm showing you the amount that you'll put. Then we are going to put that size of amount of turmeric. I'll just cut it up and put it in the blender. The more ginger you put, the better. Me, I like ginger because it's very medicinal. It helps with headaches, inflammation, as well as turmeric. So now all I'm going to do is just blend it up until it's nice and smooth, and I'll just sieve it. This is a very nice drink to have during in the morning when you wake up. It's very hydrating and cleansing. It's like a detox actually. Then I'll put 2 limes. There you go. I'll put the 2 limes. Then I'll just mix it up by shaking it. You can use a spoon, but yeah, laziness sometimes. You just don't feel like taking spoons. So just put it in a container. It is really nice, and then it has a beautiful color. I love the color. Okay, just saying, it's really refreshing for something you take early in the morning. It's really nice. It's not too sweet. Thanks for watching. Bye.